Welcome, I'm using HTC Desire 21 Plus, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. So, to get started, you will want to pull down the notification panel and find the hotspot toggle. If it's not visible in here at all, like it is for me, what you want to do is tap on that little pencil and simply add it from the category of the turned off toggles. So, as you can see, it's right over here. Hold it. You can see the text right above will change to drag here to remove, which also means that we can drag it over here and add it. Once you do that, go back, and now you should see it on the second page or wherever you dropped it. So once you have the toggle added, hold it. This will then take us to almost the settings of it. So simply click on Wi-Fi hotspot at the top, and now we can customize it. So at the very top, we have the toggle to turn it on, which I just completely disregarded its existence. Below that we have the name. This is going to be the name of the Wi-Fi that that the hotspot will create. So you can change it if you want to, or simply remember the one that it's right here. And the next important option is the hotspot password. Now, it's probably going to be the most important one, because without the password, you won't be able to connect to it. And also, by default, the password that is set here is just absolute trash. So let's remove this one and set our own. Now it does need to have 8 characters in length, at which point you'll be able to save it. And then also, if we tap on the advanced, we'll have the option to turn off automatically when the hotspot is not being used. I would recommend you to keep that enabled. It will help you a lot in preserving your battery. And then also a P-band, which we have 2 different options, the 2.4 or 5 GHz Wi-Fi. And here, this will depend, it will vary depending on like different people. So some might be able to use the 5 GHz, some might not. It really just depends on what kind of device you will be using to connect to the hotspot with. So explaining this a little bit further, 5 GHz is a little bit of a newer technology. I'll also add that 5 GHz Wi-Fi is something completely different than 5G mobile like we have right now. So I also know this specific device is 5G. The 5 GHz Wi-Fi is something entirely different. It's a technology that's been out for a little bit longer than that. And the benefit of the 5 GHz Wi-Fi is the connection on this will be faster and more stable, but the 2.4 GHz will be used by a wider array of devices, especially the older ones from like 2015 and back. So you can select the 5 GHz one, save it, and then try to connect to the hotspot. If you don't see a hotspot at all by the name that is right here, that means the device you're trying to connect with just simply doesn't support the 5 GHz, and all you need to do is go back here and drop this to 2.4 like it was before. And like I said, I do recommend you to try it out at least, because the benefit is going to be there. Like I said, it's going to be faster, more stable connection, while the 2.4 is just used by more older devices. But anyway, once you set it all up here, you can simply quit this, and all you need to do now is pull down the notification panel, find the toggle, tap on it to enable it, and voila, hotspot is now on. So that is how you would enable it. And once you're done with it, you can just simply disconnect from it or not use it, and it will turn off automatically because of that toggle that we left on. But you can also do it yourself. So by going back here, tapping on it again, you will turn it off. So that is how you would set it up, use it, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.